just broke it. One more lap, John. Concrete grips so good, like it just grips, but it's a different texture of grip. So if you look at this concrete, all these lines in it, it's because they finished it. Now if you look over here, this over here, they used a big old thing on here and they literally made it smooth. So you got two different types of concrete, smooth, rough. It's a pretty cool combination. So you got to drive it here and then you got to really drive it up. All that wing adjustment right now caused so much downforce to the car that it messed up the camber on this thing. So you got to be very particular when you're adjusting your wing in the back. You got to be I'm just letting y'all know. Not every day you can use one of these. We got what? 1, 2, 4, 6 deep. Everybody is set up. We got people everywhere. All right, y'all. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Connor, Nick's first. John Camaro's third. His brother's also leave behind him a bit. Oh, Nick is going. Nick is passing people. Nick, Bug is going. Bug is going. Oh. Nice, Nick! Nick, yes, Nick, yes! Yes, Nick! Oh my God! Yes! Dude! Look at your head! Hey, look! Yes! Dude, man, it does actually. Really oh, what? You just jumped the hill. Oh, we got Leroy over here. Don't wait. How can you go? Little race of Okay, ready? Here we go. Here they come. Oh, okay. You gotta face it this way, look. Yep, just like that. Ready? Super fun time today, big turnout, a lot of people turned out I didn't know. So Nick is running the F1 car. To me, he's in love with it. That thing did pretty good today. Met a bunch of cool dudes that I never met. They just showed up. So it was pretty exciting. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I hope y'all subscribe. One side only. Oh, we found something. Hey, we found a piece.
What the quack?
Oh, yeah.
Marks from the cars hitting it. Tire mark, long tire mark.
Are those scale tire marks?
Tire mark,
Are those
mark.
scale?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I would say those are scale tire marks. Yeah, yo.
That was fun.
What?